All right, court is calling 2021 CR 7498, State of Texas versus Jacqueline C. Sanchez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Karen Corby for Jacqueline Sanchez, defendant, Your Honor.
Are you Ms. Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jacqueline C. Sanchez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 7498 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on December 10th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violating condition number 2, on or about the 12th day of February 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jacqueline C. Sanchez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
Your Honor, state we resolve the violations.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation?
The courtroom falls still as the judge speaks. The court could find the violation true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you to up to 20 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. It's not just legal jargon. It's a warning, a thunderclap. And yet, Jacqueline pleads true. No hesitation. No turning back. In that moment, the weight of her reality crashes in. This isn't just a plea. This is her survival instinct kicking in, even as her future teeters on the edge.
Violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, is for 2 years TDC.
That is our proposed agreement, Your Honor.
All right, why should I give her the minimum? What has she done on probation?
Judge, I can tell you that she did complete drug court. Unfortunately, she kind of fell short in reentry court. She had tons and tons of negative UAs. She had been working really, really hard. I believe that the underlying offense was 7 grams. So I know it's 4,200, but it was closer to the 4 than it was 200. And Judge, she does have, I think, 139 days in jail. She just really just wants to put this behind her and move on with her life. She tells me she's been working for 2 years at the Tower of Americas. She's hoping they'll keep her job open for her, depending upon how, if you follow the record.
Her lawyer steps up, painting a picture of redemption. Stable job, supportive family, successful completion of drug court. The effort is real. The progress is undeniable. But the judge isn't buying the story. Because in courtrooms like this, effort doesn't always win the day. Not when addiction lingers in the background, ready to cast out on even the most hopeful testimony.
Well, she's gone, but Judge just wants to put this behind her and move on. But she did do a significant amount of work on this probation.
All right, do you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Jacqueline C. Sanchez.
All right, why didn't you do well in drug court?
I'm sorry, what was that again?
Why did you not do well in felony drug court?
I didn't have the money to pay for the UAs, ma'am.
No, felony drug court usually will not remove you from their program because you can't pay UAs. Are you telling the court that you were removed from felony drug court because you couldn't pay for the UA?
And I had a relapse. I had drank 4 beers, ma'am. She actually graduated from drug court, I believe, and then she went to the reentry. So I think she completed drug court. So I don't think she had a problem doing drug court. I think it's when she got out.
So here's my question. Why did they remove you from their reentry program?
Because I drank 4 beers, ma'am, on the 23rd.
No, usually it's more than that because felony drug court usually understands relapses. Am I wrong in that? Did they not understand that you had a relapse?
They usually do, ma'am, but this time they felt like I played them.
Oh.
Then comes the blow that breaks it all. For beers, just 1 relapse. But it wasn't the alcohol that destroyed the trust. It was what the court felt in response. Betrayal. They felt like I was lying, Jacqueline says. And in those words, everything shifts. The line between a second chance and 6 years behind bars is thin. And in this courtroom, that line just snapped.
To them.
Okay. All right. Probation?
Judge, the note that was received from drug court.
Well,
was-
just one second. Any objections to probation giving me some insight in whether or not I should follow this agreement?
Okay.
And also, they found on my phone that I was trying to get methadone for a friend because he relapsed and he was trying to get clean, and that's what I was doing. And I had somebody else ask me I was looking for marijuana for somebody.
Wait a minute, what?
I was looking for marijuana for somebody. They asked me to look for it. They text me if I could find it, and I told them yeah, but I never got to doing that.
Oh, so now we're getting to the point. So you were in felony drug court in the reentry program and you were looking for drugs for other people.
Judge, I think she was looking for methadone and possibly marijuana. She's not, the perfect probationer, but that's what she told me, Judge. I don't think it was in.
I made a mistake, Judge. I'm sorry about that.
Nope, you made choices. They're not mistakes.
She did spend a lot of time in drug court. She has been straightforward with you, I believe. And ask you to follow the state's recommendation of 2 years TDC.
All right. And do you want me to hear from probation or no, counsel?
Sure. I
Yeah.
don't think my client's trying to hide anything, Judge.
Okay. Probation?
The information that was received from felony drug court was, she did finish the program successfully. However, during the aftercare portion, there were UA tests with positive ETG results, and a phone search was conducted and text messages revealed that he was communicating with negative contacts and negotiating the sale of illegal drugs.
Okay.
I did reach out to felony drug court to see if
She says she was helping a friend find methadone. But then come the text, mentions of marijuana. Even if she didn't go through with it, those words were enough to unravel her case. To the judge, it's not just someone trying to recover. It's someone slipping back into a world she promised to leave. Her intentions don't matter anymore. The image is already damaged.
All right. So this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 6 true.
So I think it's in.
I'm sorry, number 2 true.
Yes.
Thank you. Violation of condition number 2. The court is finding that to be true. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money were run concurrent. Was the $57 ever paid for the laboratory testing? Do you know if you ever paid that?
Drug court? Is it
Ah.
to drug court? Okay,
Okay.
no, I have not taken.
Okay. There should be $57 restitution to SAPD for laboratory testing. If you would like, I could have you referred to the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase your time at the prison. It's just something to hopefully help you maintain your sobriety.
Okay, I'll take that.
All right, therapeutic community. Court's going to sentence
2-year deal? Gone. The judge's voice sharpens. These aren't mistakes, she says. These are choices. That sentence lands like a hammer. Jacqueline wasn't just quietly failing. She was texting about drugs in the middle of her reentry process. That wasn't just a stumble. It was a signal that told the court she's not ready. And that's what sealed the outcome.
title trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I'm just leaving it to me right now.
Okay.
I explained to you. So you have one of the documents.
She chooses the prison rehab option, maybe hoping for some kind of reset. But the defeat is clear in her eyes. This wasn't the path she imagined. This wasn't supposed to be the way her fight ended. Yet here she is, accepting the consequence she can no longer outrun. Her hope, her freedom, her fight. It all gets folded into a system that doesn't forget mistakes. And just when the courtroom could have turned cold, it doesn't. The judge, after handing down 6 years, says something unexpected. If you ever need help again, we're still here. In a place built on rules, judgment, and final decisions, those words felt like a crack of sunlight through the concrete. It's not a pardon. It's not a promise. But it's something